2. NCS Core Forums. It is a very good thing to agree on the intentions and principles, but the structure or organization necessary to run the system must be set up in each country where there is a National Codification Bureau. NCB directors meet twice a year within Group of National Directors on Codification, known as AC135MG. The Allied Committee 135, known under the designation of AC135, represents the central organ of the management of the NATO codification system structure. This Allied Committee, AC135, has an objective to enable the support of logistics operation by providing data exchanges in the field of identification of materials in an international environment with an efficient and rational manner between members. The AC135 belongs to the Conference of National Armaments Directors, as part of NATO's civil structure. This Allied Committee is responsible for establishing the principles, methods, procedures, and achievements of the NATO codification system. The tasks of the AC135 reflect the needs and priorities of NATO and CNAD, but also the concerns of member nations. The AC135 organization and the mandate of AC135MG are defined in the Handbook on Aims, Organization and Working Procedures, known as Handbook on Aims. To improve the efficiency of its operation, AC135 has created a subcommittee, Budget and Strategic Plan, which advises AC135 on all matters related to its strategic roadmap, as well as regards to the corresponding budgets. The main group also established a group panel, working on technical aspects, known as Panel A, after the determination of the codification policy by the group of directors. The Panel A is responsible for the implementation of processes, forms, and methods of work. It is also responsible for the study of codification data format to facilitate the automatic processing and exchange through IT communication. Panel A is responsible for the maintenance of the whole rules established in the Manual of Codification, A-Code P-1. The group of directors can decide to create working groups dedicated to tasks considered as complex or subgroups specialized in a particular field. When tasks are considered complex or with longer-term objectives of implementation, AC135 is supported by the working group in charge of the steering of NCS transformation. For example, modernization of data exchange format based on XML is discussed in this working group. The NCS TSWG directly depends on the group of directors and shall report on its work at each meeting of the AC135 main group. Another working group led by Panel A, working on permanent improvement of IT projects managed by AC135, such as NMCRL software and MIS tool, which is the tool of data quality policy of AC135